Hey, this is Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this video is going to be a short video. Um, this is kind of a call out to all the customizers out there on YouTube. A man approached me on Facebook on the Outlaw Speed Shop page and asked for some help. I usually don't do these, so I was a little skeptical, and I listened to what he had to say. And his name is Stewart Jones. He is a pretty good customizer himself. He sells strictly on eBay and has been doing it for a very long time and is very well known. About 2012, his neighbor down the street got into it, caught the bug, and started customizing. And his name, you have to excuse me a little bit. This is a little hard for me as well. He goes by Pegs Customs on eBay, and he's done quite a few really killer customs. And he just got diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. And anybody who, as you get up in age, you tend to know more and more, unfortunately, know more and more people that have cancer, and especially stage 4. There's no coming back. There's no treatment. Really all it is making life comfortable for whatever time that it is for the person and for the family. So anyway, Stuart reached out to me and asked for some help. And he's not asking for a handout per se. He's asking for myself and hopefully some customizers to just build a car. Something we do every week. Just build a car, send it to him, and he's going to put them on eBay with a special card. It'll be blister packed, it'll be carded, it'll have your channel name on it, and he's going to sell them on eBay with all the proceeds going to this GoFundMe page, which I'll have linked down below. And the whole goal, they're asking for $2,000. They've got, as of 20 minutes ago when I looked, they had $975. You know as well as I do, $2,000 isn't going to cover it. So I'd like to blow that out of the water if we can. Again, all I'm asking is to build a car, mention it on your channel when you build the car, link to the GoFundMe page on that video, and just send the car to Stuart. That's it. He'll handle all the rest. Not asking for money, maybe the cost of shipping to Florida, which is where Stuart is. But if that's something you guys are interested in, please email me. I'll have my email down below. I need to get a list of names as quickly as possible of those that want to participate, so I can get them to Stuart, so he can get them to his card guy and start making them. I'm thinking let's see my calendar, around the 7th. I'm not sure what, if that falls on a weekend or whatever, but the weekend closest to the 7th. That gives us time for a lot of us who are participating in a couple challenges coming up. That gives us, the following week, just build a car. As long as it's like a Hot Wheels car, it's got to fit in a blister pack, so no big trucks or anything like that. Just give it your best shot, mention the GoFundMe page, and send it to Stuart. That's all you have to do. If this is something you're interested in, please email me as soon as you can so I can get him the info. I'd appreciate it. Just looking at my notes, make sure I got everything. Yeah, he's looking at September 21st as the auction that he's going to list everything. And I'll have, like I said, I'll have his eBay listed down below as well for Stuart. And I really appreciate anybody that wants to participate. If there's any questions, again, email me. But I think this is a great cause, and it's all about community. Us as customizers, we hear stories all the time about people that get into the hobby because they watched our videos. From young kids to grown-ass adults like myself, still playing with cars. So if this is something that you guys want to participate in, I would love to have you. I know for one, I'm definitely doing it. And I encourage everybody who watches this that has a YouTube channel to do it. And those that are watching when the auctions hit, maybe throw some bids on there and Of course, nothing's stopping you from going to the GoFundMe page, and everybody that watched donated $1, they'd probably be at their goal already. But I appreciate you guys very much. And again, stage 4 cancer is nothing to joke around about. I know I lost my mother to stage 4, and it's tough on the family just as much as it is on the individual. So thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one.